In this video, I'll show you how to change the complete order button text that's visible in Shopify one-page checkout. As you can see in this example, I've selected manual payment methods such as cash on delivery, and right now the button shows complete order instead of pay now. So if you're looking to change the button label to something different such as submit order or place order, in this video I'll show you how to do it. At first, log into your Shopify admin account and then select online store. Now locate your active theme and then select three dots, and then click on add a default theme content. Now at the top right corner, click on search, then search field, type the following. Type complete order. Under checkout on systems, look for complete purchase button label. Let's add it right here. Let me change it to submit order. Now let's save the changes. And now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to the checkout page. Let's try refreshing it. Now let's scroll all the way to the bottom, and as you can see, the button label now shows submit order. And this change will be reflected when you select other payment methods such as bank deposit or money order. So as usual, I hope you found the short video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.